so it was called Hollywood Hot Glass Studio, and it was up on the lawn deck area. But it was basically you make your own item of choice. It's not one set item. You can choose, if they have a display there, and you can choose which item you would like and your colors, and you go behind the screens and you make your own item.
Yeah, like everything to do with glass making. The whole thing, you, I don't know what any of the tools are called. You spin the roddy thing.
Put it in the oven. You hold it with a big clipper so that it gets the end off.
You pinch it to make the shape. This glass is going into an oven that's over 2,000 degrees hot.
Really hot.
Which is
you
pretty...
blow into a long pipe to get your shape. It was really, something totally out of the ordinary that you think you would see on a cruise ship. And those poor people have to sweat to death up there.
Oh yeah, there are two guys that work there, and they worked hard and they worked long hours. But it might be kind of satisfying because they see some pretty cool creations being made and people being super excited to finish them. So Celebrity has this on 3 different ships. The Equinox is one of the 3, the one that we did it on, and they offer it on 2 others. So it's not something you can see on every Celebrity ship, but if it's something you want to do, definitely see if the ship you're looking at offers that. The price, what was your price? Like $150, $170?
No, I think mine was $120.
All right, so...
But that might have been the lowest. Maybe there was something that was like $100, but I don't think anything on there on my particular day was lower than $100.
All right, and then when you made it, the whole process from start to finish took you about how long?
15 minutes.
Yeah, and then afterwards they bake it, right? I guess in a different oven for 4 hours, I think he said, and you pick up your creation the next day. All right, you want to show everybody what you created?
Yeah, so I made a bowl, and you can choose, I think, up to 4 colors, but I chose like a white and a darker blue and an aqua, and you can also do different patterns. Like I noticed some had just color patterns, little spots of colors or whatever, but I wanted the swirly. So that's my creation.
Yeah, it's awesome. And it's thick,
It is very
solid.
thick. Yeah.
It's great. It's going to make a great dog bowl someday.
Yeah.
All right, that's $120 dog bowl. Right, that's not going to happen. But anyway, it's a cool experience. I didn't do it, but I watched the whole thing, and I had a blast watching it. It just kind of like magic, the way this stuff is created. And now that we have this reminder of it in our house, is pretty neat. All right, so Hollywood Hot Glass Studios. Highly recommended. It's kind of, we kind of splurged. We're vagabonds. We're usually cheap, but no second thoughts on whether or not this was a good idea. We loved it.
Right.
That's awesome. Yep.
I love it.